In this Microsoft Paint tutorial, we will explore the fundamentals of using the versatile graphics software. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, we have got you covered. Learn how to create, edit and enhance your images with this step-by-step guide. Discover essential tools, tricks and tips that will help you express your creativity in no time. By the end of this tutorial, you will be well on your way to creating your own digital art and design using Microsoft Paint. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone interested in learning the ropes of this classic software. To use Microsoft Paint, Step 1. Open Paint. You can typically find in the Windows Accessories folder on your computer. Step 2. Create a new file. Click File and then New to open a blank canvas. Step 3. Drawing Tools. Use the various drawing tools such as the pencil, brush, shapes and text to create your artwork or edit images. Step 4. Colors. Choose colors by clicking on the color palette at the bottom. You can also select custom colors. Step 5. Save your work. Click File and then Save to save your image in a preferred format. Step 6. Open existing images. You can open existing images by clicking File and then Open. Step 7. Editing. You can use features like cut, copy, paste, resize and more to edit your images. Step 8. Undo and redo. Use Ctrl+Z to undo changes and Ctrl+Y to redo. Step 9. Zoom. Zoom in or out using the zoom slider at the bottom right corner. Step 10. Save and export. Once you are done, save your work and export it to share with others or use in other applications. Microsoft Paint is a basic image editing tool with simple features, making it suitable for basic tasks and quick edits.